Assalamu alaikum, I am Sajad and today we will learn capacity calculation of compression machine. We will learn that a compression machine can compress how many tablets in 1 minute, how many tablets can be compressed by a compression machine in 1 hour, and if we want to compress a specified number of tablets using a compression machine, how much time will be required to compress that number of tablets. So to learn all these, be with me and first of all subscribe my channel. So every one of you familiar with the compression machine. Compression machine is used in pharmaceutical industries for compressing powders and granules to form a tablet. If you are not familiar with compression machine and want to learn details of each component, the video link is given in description. In this video we will only discuss the capacity calculation. So to calculate the capacity of compression machine, we must have following information. The first one is number of stations. Mean our compression machine has how many stations or punches, number of stations. Suppose we have a compression machine having 33 punches. The next one is the RPM, mean at which speed we are running our compression machine. Suppose we are running our compression machine at 30 RPM. The next one is the feeding system, mean our compression machine is single feed or double feed. Suppose we have a compression machine which is double feed, so we will use 2. Single feed mean our compression machine has the capacity to compress 1 tablet by each punch during 1 round, and double feed mean our compression machine has the capacity to compress 2 tablets by each punch during 1 round. If you are not familiar with single feed and double feed, for easy understanding, if our compression machine has 2 hopper and 2 discharging chutes, it is double feed, and if it has 1 hopper and 1 discharging chute, it is single feed. The exception may be for the double layer tablets, we will discuss later on. So first we must know about the number of stations, second one RPM, third one feeding system, and fourth one is the time. Mean we want to calculate for 1 minute or 60 minutes or 1 hour. First of all we will calculate for 1 minute, then we will calculate for 60 minutes. So to calculate the capacity, we will have to use multiplication method, mean we will multiply all these factors. So first of all we will multiply number of punches with RPM, 33 into 30, then we will multiply it with the feeding system which is 2, and then we will multiply it with the time which is 1 minute. So the answer will be 33 into 30 into 2, mean 1980. 1980 tablets can be compressed in 1 minute by the compression machine having 33 punches, running at 30 RPM and having 2 feeding system. So if we want to calculate the capacity of this compression machine in 1 hour, simply we will use 60 and the answer will be 33 into 30 into 2 into 60. The answer will be 118800, mean 1,18,800 tablets will be compressed by this compression machine in 1 hour. I hope you are familiar with the concept of capacity calculation. Now we will check that if we have a batch size of 3 lakh, how much time will be required by this compression machine to compress these number of tablets. As we have previously calculated, our compression machine can compress 118,800 tablets in 1 hour. So we will simply divide our batch size with the number of tablets compressed in 1 hour. The answer will be 118,800. 2.52 hours mean this compression machine will take 2.52 hours to compress 3 lakh tablets. So it was all about the capacity calculation of compression machine. If you are asked to calculate the capacity of compression machine, keep in mind these factors, and if you are asked to calculate how much time is required for a specified number of tablets to compress, use this formula, because these calculations are commonly and routinely used in pharmaceutical industries. So if you are asked, you have a compression machine having 37 punches running at the speed of 40 rpm and it is double feed, how much tablets it will compress in 1 hour. And if we want to compress 10 lakh tablets by this compression machine, how much time will be required by this compression machine? Give your answer in the comment box. Do visit pharmainform.com for reading more articles related to the pharma. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.